Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching us on how you're going to be selling your calendar as a digital calendar, or if you want to sell it to people as a proper calendar that you can put on your office table or anywhere in your environment. Okay, I made a video on the full tutorials on how I created this beautiful calendar, right? I made a tutorial on it, so watch the first video. This is the continuation of that video. Okay, so without any further ado, let's dive straight to this tutorial. Thank you. So as you can see, this is my beautiful design that I made, the calendar. You can sell this calendar and you can give it out as a free package to get a lead. We'll get to that, meaning that to get people's email so that you can sell with email marketing. Okay, I'm still going to do a video on how you're going to collect people's email and sell and give a lead magnet so that you can have a sale funnel. Okay, but that's not the main purpose of this video. So now, this calendar that I made, I'm going to be uploading it and I'm going to be selling it with Photo merge. Yeah, if you are not signed up with Photo, I will encourage us to use the link in my bio to sign up for it. It's totally free and you can sell digital products, you can sell your merch, okay, and make good money in 2025. Okay, so now this is the platform. This is the platform, and we're going to be going through. This is my platform, and I've created some beautiful products with this. I'll be showing you my shop before the end of this video. Okay, so we're going to go to home and living, and we're going to scroll down. We're looking for calendar. So as you can see, this is the calendar we want to sell. And if you look at this, this is a wall calendar, and this calendar is digital printed. From the company is $11.95. Okay, no minimum. So this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, we have some mock-up that is going to be given to us. So it says we should design now. You can choose a color as I did with this video. My custom design is 8.26 inch by 11.69 inch. Then you can do the smaller one, which is 11 inch by 17 inches. Okay, but this is the one I did. Okay, so in case you want to go to Canva and you want to design something like this. So now I'm going to design this. I'm going to say design now, right? So I'm going to click here. So now it says we should upload or drop your design here. First of all, we're going to, if we have a cover for the year, this is our cover, then you come here, then you continue like that. So I didn't create a cover page for this. So let me quickly go to Canva and let's create a cover page for our beautiful calendar. So tech lover, I created a new page, okay, and I'm going to come to template, which is design, right? And I'm going to search for 2025 calendar cover page. This is the cover page we're given, okay? This is cover page we're given. So I'm going to choose this first one for this tutorial. Just choose one of these, and as you can see, we have we have some other options to choose from. Okay, so now let me quickly look for a beautiful one, then I continue. So I'm going to choose this, right? And I want to change my font. I just love this font. I love it so much. So for the background, I can look for one of my beautiful pictures. Um, let's use. I love this. So this is our finished end of our cover page. So I want to put a quote in front of it. Yeah, I want to put a quote. So I'm going to write, you are stronger than you think, braver than you feel, and smarter than you know. Believe in yourself and make 2025 a year of triumphant. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to come back to this place. Let's see how it's going to fit in here. So this is my end result for my cover page. Is this not looking beautiful? So I'm going to download now, as you can see. So now we have, let's say, let me put here, cover page. Okay, so now we're going to download page 2 to 14. Okay, so I'm going to come here to our photo and I will keep uploading. I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on download. But before I click on download, if you want to sell this as a template, this is where you're going to get the link. And you click on anyone with the link, okay? And you sell this, you convert it to a template and you sell as a digital planner, okay? Or you can sell it as a digital calendar if you want to. But I want to sell the real calendar so that people can purchase and either mount it on their wall or in their office or anywhere in their house. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to download. So I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to be downloading in PNG, right? And I'm going to download. I'm going to select the ones I'm going to download because I did this for the previous topic on how this is being created. So Tech Lover, let's start uploading. It's asking me to upload the designs, right? So I'm going to add all the designs here, add images, add image. So I'm going to add from cover page to December and I'll show us I'll show us the results. So Tech Lovers, as you can see, this is the printing quality. Make sure it's 357 dpi. Print quality very good. If it's red, the printout will not be good. So make sure that you're on the right track. Okay, so now I've finished uploading all the calendars and let's preview. Can you see our preview? Can you look? Oh, this is so beautiful. So it's in two ways. You can sell in two ways, like 11 by 17 inches and 8 by 11 inches, which is not bad. So let's go next. Generating high quality photography. So this is the final look of our design for calendar. And guess what? This site has an AI. So I'm going to tell this to generate for me. Write a title and description for me. Okay, let me try and fix something. So it says embrace the individuality with our 2025 wall calendar. Yeah, I don't know. So if you don't like this, you can also retry. Then my selling price is $22. And me selling this, if I don't want to increase this price, I'm going to be making $10 per sales. So if I let me see if I turn it to $20 because I don't want it to be too expensive. I'll be making $8, right? And if I'm selling it $15, I'll be making $3 per sale. Okay. So I'm just going to return it back to I think $22 is okay. So this product is produced to order. others arrive within 5 to 11 days. So this is it, and I'm going to publish it. So as you can see, in Canadian, because the amount I said is in USD, right? So the Canadian price in total is $31.78. So isn't this beautiful? So you can choose between this and you can choose between this. So you choose the one you want. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. The link, fourth wall link, is going to be in the description. So get yours now and sign up for it and start follow the step I've given in this video, and I wish you all the best. So if I want to order sample, I can order my sample here and start selling. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share this video out and join the tech family. Thank you. Do not forget to like especially so that YouTube will remember my channel and share out my channel out. My target is to reach $10,000. So I said dollars. My target is to reach 10,000 subscribers before the end of December 2024. I hope this is still visible. So take care. See you later in my next video.